Gold and silver recovered a little after a sharp bearish move beginning of the week. We have seen a little recovery yesterday. While we have seen a very stronger resistance precisely at the levels at which we had discussed, that is 2640-42, proven out to be greater resistance for gold, while silver has also struggled at around 3060. Now, what to expect today, as we have again seen a little bullish momentum continuing today here in metals? Can we expect a rise, and if yes, at what levels, and if not, where we can expect a selling entry? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis of multiple time frames. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. If you look at gold on the hourly chart, see it has spent good enough time here in this zone. And if you look at the formation here, rise retracement, then a mini rise and a retracement, and now it is breaking out here. So now again 2640-42 and 2648-50, these are the two levels it need to break. Once it breaches these two levels, we are looking forward to a good rise here. First should be 2658-60, and then in fact we can see it erasing all the losses from the first trading session this week, and in fact it can move towards 2680-85. But right now the momentum is missing here in gold, and it is struggling here on the up. But yes, when you see it here, it is consolidated around 20 period moving average, and now 20 period moving average has become a good base for gold for the day. And yes, if it drops below this zone here at 2624-25 and then 2620, you can say more bearishness may prevail, and only reversal confirmation, only bearish confirmation today in gold is if it trades below 2608-10 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, again good sign for the bulls. See, if you look at the 2-hour charts here also, the moving averages have crossed over. This is a bearish sign for gold. And if you look at the formation, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, it is under retracement. Now every candle has a meaning. So if you connect the dots, the highs for gold is at 2660, and this is also going to be one achievable level and a greater resistance level as well for gold. So let's see if it stays about 2640-42. Once beyond that, we may see slight bullishness. Now see, it is trying to break out here and stay above the 20 period. Once it stays above 20 period, chances will be high that we may see 2648-50 levels, and breaking beyond which certainly more bullish momentum should prevail. Remember, after the drop, it is under retracement. See, higher lows are seen consistently and higher highs are here. So 2650 should be achievable, and then we can look forward to further highs. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here at the bottom and trading with divergence. Good sign for the bulls for the forthcoming candles. RSI is also showing a rise. And once you see the 3-hour chart, see on the 3-hour charts, very important to note, the crossover here is very important. It is certainly a bearish sign. Now this complete zone till 2650, a very crucial levels for gold exist here, and breaking beyond which is where you can say further retracement should be seen, further rise should be seen. Now notice the point that after a drop, it is spending a long time here in this zone. Thus wait for a breakout. Now remember, it is possible that it can take a U-turn and drop below 2620, where you can say now more bearishness is going to prevail. See, drop, retracement, and a drop here is going to be equally sharp. But right now we are talking about retracement, possibility of a retracement exists high. Why? Because the indicators have certainly cooled down, and a possibility of a rise from here exists strong. Now if you notice, look at this, let me show you something. Now see, this is the recent lows and this is the recent highs. This is precisely the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So after dropping to the 61.8% retracement, it is bouncing back. 2650 is 38.2, which is going to be first resistance. Beyond this, we are looking forward to 2676 also. 2660 anyways is going to be one resistance, but then I'll be looking forward to 2676 and then 8487. So yes, you can find out how we can arrive at the levels with ease. Stochastic rising here, MACD after retracement, it is convergent here, it is crossing over. This can lead to reversal. RSI is also showing a bit of rise. On the 4-hour, the observation is similar here. Higher lows are seen, waiting for a breakout here. A breakout should lead to a good rise here. I am looking forward to at least 2660, though since yesterday it is just stayed in zone. It is traded rather sideways and not showed any stronger momentum here. But when you look at the downside, it is important to note, see, consistently higher highs are seen. Higher highs is a very good sign for the bulls here. Now you can notice that it has to break below these lows here of today's candle, specifically below 2625 is where you can see slight bearishness here. So this is the point where you can say now the bears are back and we can look forward to further drop. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge, RSI is looking upwards. On the daily chart, similar observation. See, moving averages converge here, not yet crossed over. Remember yesterday, a flat base, one bullish candle. What did I discuss? What did we discuss yesterday? That after the drop, it may take this path here. So possibly gold might try to, in fact, stay in this channel, and it can try to move towards this zone possibly. And today is going to be one important day for gold, where it is going to decide what it wants to do. In general, after the drop, it tries to stay like this before taking another dip. Yes, before showing another dip possibly next week. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green, trying to bounce back. RSI rising. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this move, very simple. Buy at 2642. Expect the highs at 2648.50 as the first target levels, 54.55 at the next, 26.58.60 at the third. Once it trades above 2660, the chances will be high that we may see gold now at 26.76.78 levels, and beyond this 26.84.87 will come into picture. If it can drop sharp, it can recover sharp as well. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 26.32.30 zone, where we can expect first support levels at 26.25.26, or rather 26.24.26. The next at 26.18.20. And if these two are taken, then we are looking forward to a greater down move here. How low? Yes, you can expect it to move towards 26.10.12 levels, below which is where the bears are waiting, and then below which it can crash below 2600. And this time, if it crashes below 2600, it is not going to come back. Remember the levels below 2600, it is not going to come back. 2591, 2584, 2570, and then 2550 levels are possible. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver under retracement. Yes, look at the formation drop. Now see, after the drop, 1, 2, 3. Now it has formed another base here. Where it has formed the base, now you can notice 30-20, 30-30 has become the base for silver. And with this as base, rise, retracement, and now waiting for a breakout. A breakout means a move beyond 3060. Now if you connect the dots, even beyond 3060, this complete zone 3060, 3080 is a prime resistance for silver here. What is happening? Drop, retracement, drop, under retracement. And only if it trades above 3085 and $31 levels, you can treat this as reversal. Right now it is trading bearish here, and see 20 period and 50 period is providing it a very good resistance. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to 2 hour, what is happening on the 2-hour charts? Look at this, and now breaking out. So yes, a breakout here should lead to a stronger rise. Possibility exists here. And now when you see it breaking beyond 3060 levels and this complete zone, you should watch out with caution. In between 3060 and 3080 is where the resistance lies, because beyond this we are looking forward to a massive move on the upside. Yes, the indicators are now starting to look upwards, and that is a good sign for further rise. Whether be it the RSI, MACD, or the stochastic, all are looking upwards. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Very, very important to note. See, it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has moved towards 20 period, and see the struggle here on the upside. I can see a lot much of a struggle here on the upside. So wait for a breakout, and this breakout should lead to a good move here. Be watchful of this. Wait for a breakout. Now, when you see the lower end of these candles, you will find the support also exists strong, and thus the breakout here is going to bring a good move here. Also, you should notice higher lows are seen, which is also a good sign, and it is under retracement. That is very, very clear. Now, ideally 30, 80, $31 level is also the next target zone, and this is beyond which you can say now silver has reversed and you can look forward to a rise here. Stochastic has retraced. MACD after retracing has crossed over, looking upwards. Good sign for the bulls. RSI is rising as well on the 4-hour charts. Now see, on the 4-hour charts, I have mentioned consolidation, rise, retracement, waiting for a breakout here, which means a move beyond 3060 is what you should wait for. And then we are looking forward to a good rise. We are looking forward to a move towards 3080, 85, and breaking beyond which is where you can say now silver is reversed. Now also notice that, look at the move in here, it is delivering higher lows, here it has delivered higher highs. Just it has found its resistance here at 3150 and reverse. So it is not a good sign for the bulls though, there is a wall standing at 3150. But what has happened, higher lows, and it has found an extremely stronger support, so a recovery cannot be denied here. So this is something you should watch out for. And now on the downside, if you see it is staying below 3030, 3020 zone, you can take a sell entry, but ideal bearishness, ideal selling point is only below $30 levels. Stochastic at top, MACD retracing, trying to converge, RSI looking upwards here. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, the crossover here in the moving average is an important point. This is a bearish cross looking downwards. What has happened today? Higher lows. It has started with the tail. It is looking upwards. It is a good sign for further recovery. And just that, I will say, even if it tries to rise, you have to be extremely cautious till 30, 80, 85. And then once it breaks, I will look forward to 31, 31, 20, 25. Possibility is there. But I will say, what is happening here in silver, just notice this, lower highs are seen and a flat bottom is seen. So after this reversal sign, rise, retracement, and it is trying to bounce back, it can try to break here on the upside. Let's watch out if it stays above 31 today. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is already at bottom already, and RSI is at bottom as well. So looking at this, very, very simple. Buy at 3060, sell at 3030. In between these 30 cents, do not take a position. On the upside, be careful till 3080, 85. And if that's taken, then you can stay bullish for 31 and 31, 20, 25. Beyond that, 3150, and any breakout beyond 3150 today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, stay bullish for 32 at least. And on the downside now, a selling entry is at 31.30.20 levels. Once it breaks below 31.30 and 31.20 zone, we can expect a move towards 30 levels here. And once it breaks below $30 levels is where the bears will take over. Then you can expect 29.75.80. Now it is important to note that 29.75.80 is the crucial zone today, breaking below which we are looking forward to a greater down move. It can crash sharp towards 29.40.50 and $29 levels. I do not expect so, but yes, these are market beyond my expectation, prediction, analysis. Everything goes out haywire. Yes, it is of no use, because once the market starts to move, it is going to take its own direction, and that is why I always say just respect the levels and take the trades. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.